Hello guys, welcome to DPILTS YouTube channel. Today we are discuss about new car topic. Our topic is describe a tall building in your city you like or dislike. Our Q card bullet points are where it is, what it is used for, what it looks like, and explain why you like or dislike it. And our Q card answer is there are not exactly too many tall buildings in my hometown as far as I know, but there are a few of them which I think deserve some attention. Here today I would like to talk about one such tall building in my hometown which got my attention. The building is conveniently located at the heart of my town, close to a major intersection which can be easily accessed from all directions. The building is 25 stories tall with a size of about 14,000 square feet on each floor, which is built with all kinds of modern building materials including fine limestone, gravel, river sand, bricks, tiles, fiber cement sheets, metal roads, concrete cement, and glasses, among many other things. This is a curved-shaped building, and its exterior is fully made of fiberglass and aluminum composite sheet, while the entire interior, floor and walls are made of very high quality tiles. The building is also fully air conditioned. There is a large patio terrace in the midsection of the building which is hanging separately from the front side and attached to the building by itself for people to relax. The building also has a huge parking space in front of it, having a great architectural design. This building is mainly used as one of the prime business centers of the town. It also houses many offices of the some big corporations and companies. There is also a huge conference center in this building which occupies the whole sixth floor. Finally, this building is also served by 24 hours lift elevators facility. Anyway, I like this building primarily because it has a very nice architectural design. In fact, this building is designed and erected with such a nice architectural design and at such a unique location that one can actually get a view of it from at least 6 to 7 kilometer away. Finally, I like this building also because I can get the perfect view of my beautiful hometown, especially during the night time from the topmost floors of this building. Thanks for watching video.